When I was a child, I didn't hear a single word you said. The things I was afraid of, they were all confined beneath my bed. But the years have been long, and you have taught me well to hide away the things that I believed in. You've taught me to call them all escapes. I know who you are now. I know who you are. I know who you are now. There before the threshold, I saw a brighter world beyond myself. In my hour of weakness, you were there to see my courage fail. The years have been long, you have taught me well to sit and wait, planning without acting, steadily becoming what I hate. I know who you are now. I know who you are. I know who you are now. I have always known you, you have always been there in my mind. But now I understand